Hello everyone, welcome to HEPPY. Today we're going to prune the Sweet Scarlet Goumi. Sweet Scarlet Goumi is a fantastic, very versatile plant. It's very forgiving. I believe its fruit is considered a superfruit. Very easy to grow. But right now it's coming out of dormancy, and what we want to do is prune excess growth. Excess growth and the limbs that we want to prune are basically the limbs that are growing from the inside of the plant, or limbs that are growing towards the inside of the plant. So what we're essentially going to do is clear out the center of this plant. This large limb here, this limb here, small limbs growing. Again, things that are growing are branches that are growing towards the center of the plant, or the plants that we want to clear. We also have like 3 large limbs, or small little branches, not limbs, but small branches kind of meeting each other right in here. Well, that's a little too much. I'm going to take out this older one here. Got this really young, this is last year's growth, surging. I can tell by the color. Probably won't translate through the video. So I'm actually going to take out this entire piece right here. Again, that frees up the competition that's going on right here and opens up the plant. More limbs growing towards the inside. By removing limbs that you don't want, don't need, or excess limbs, you're also allowing the plant to push more energy to the limbs that you do want. So that's the advantage here. We're not going to top this plant in any way. I'm going to watch this Sweet Goumi grow over time. We'll have videos of this plant growing over time. Right now we're just going to have this guy pruned, kind of opened up before the winter growth starts emerging. We're also going to take out some of these smaller limbs that are growing out the base of this plant. There's a couple more left, like this one right here. Again, we want the growth to kind of push up. We want to get a little more of a canopy action going on this plant. So I'm going to take these guys out from the bottom. All right, everyone, we just finished up pruning the Sweet Scarlet Goumi. The center of the plant is opened up. She'll be good to go. You can always prune more limbs. You can't put the limbs back. Happy growing, everyone.